Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I want to do a quick review for IPS, the copy-paste method. The link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go check it out. And I want to show you some more results, okay? We had another sale that came in, a $300 sale, by the way, that came in for this system. So this system is awesome. You definitely got to check it out. Learn our $300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. This is definitely a training you want to check out if you're interested in social media marketing. This would be the one for you. It's definitely newbie friendly, okay? Non-technical. If you can copy and paste, if you have a smart device and Wi-Fi connection, you're good to go. And you can follow simple instructions. This will work for you, okay? You get this lovely website that I'm showing you right now, have your picture on it, your link to social media, your name, so people can connect with you if they have a question. This website explains the program. It does the whole presentation, so you don't have to explain it, okay? So make sure to refer people back to your website. When people ask questions, I guarantee most of them are on this page, okay? It's a three-step process. You get started, you pick a product, okay, with the step-by-step digital training. You start posting your ads, and when people decide to sign up, they will pay you 100% commissions. This is member to member. There's no pass-ups, there's no one-ups. Straight direct sales commissions on every product that someone purchases from your site. You're paid directly from them. Okay, at the point of sale by any processor of your choice. It's up to you how you want to receive your payments. Okay, so let's thumb through this. I want you to go check out this website though and watch this video right here. Okay, that's the first thing I want you to do when you go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Watch this video, read over this information. It's a very short website, but to the point. How does it work? Okay, who is it for and what do you get? Here are the three products. I'm not going to go into detail with all those. I want you to go check them out, okay? Being that I've made numerous videos on this program, I've done several reviews on it. So go check it out and read each product level, okay? So you can get all the details on what's included in each product package. Come down here and watch this video. This one right here will help you decide which package you should get. Okay? So check that out, read over it, and then they even break down the commissions for each product. There are no monthly fees with this too, okay, which I love. Okay? So you guys don't have to worry about that. No monthly fees, one-time investment, guys. You can get all the training. I will tell you that. Let me go back up. The pro level is the recommended one. That's what I have because this way you get all the training, all the images, okay? And you don't have to worry about losing any commission because if you come in at the starter level and someone goes to your link and they want to buy the elite or the pro, the link is going to lead to your sponsor, okay? It's going to pay your sponsor those commissions, so you don't want to miss out on those commissions. So for a one-time payment of $325, you get everything. Okay, lots of images, lots of ads, step-by-step training, an action plan. I mean, the whole nine. Okay, and let me tell you, it will happen. People are going to eventually upgrade. Okay, and when they do, you get that commission as well. Matter of fact, I had someone do that today. They were at the $50 starter level. They decided they wanted the pro. Okay, so that's $300 you make. So if you don't purchase the product yourself, you can't resell it. Basically, that's it. You're a reseller. If you didn't purchase it, you can't sell it. Okay, So you want to just go all in, because you just never know who's going to want the product. Okay, and in that way, you don't have to, spend $50 plus the $25 for your website, because it is a one-time $25 for your website. So you don't want to have to spend $75, $50 plus $25, then come back over here and spend, $300 plus the $15 for the upgrade. Okay, so if you can, just go all in. And everybody that becomes a pro member, I'm going to send some traffic for you. Okay, I'm going to send some traffic to your website, but you're going to need a capture page. Okay, I'm going to put a link in the description for that capture page that I recommend on a budget that you can afford, $19.99 hopefully. Okay, if you do that, that way people can opt into your page. You can start capturing the leads, and the system will follow up for you. Okay, because if you run traffic straight just to this page right here, guys, there's no way for you to follow up. There's no way for the system for anything to follow up with the people you don't even know who came to your page if they just go here. So you want to put a capture page in front of it. Let me show you one that I recommend for you on a budget. Okay, this page right here is $19.95 a month. I'm going to put the link in the description. Just click that link, opt into the page, put your email, go all the way at the bottom of the page. You will see a button that says, do you want a site like that, like this? I'll show you that too. Okay, but you want to get this page. That's what I'm going to run the traffic to. Okay, so let me show you this payment proof that has come in tonight with the system, to show you that the system is still working. And then I'm going to show you the page that you may want to get that I was speaking of, a replicate of the page for $19.95. All right, check it out. Okay, right here you'll see Robin, congratulations, she upgraded 7/17 this evening. If you want to check this system out and get started, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, here it is right here as well, February 24th, 7/17. All right, $300 cash out. Thank you so much, Robin. Okay, guys, so there you have it, another payment proof for IPS, the copy paste method. Go check the link out in the description. Look forward to working with you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.